Ryan from Mindy Emergency Lighting. We've got a 2011 Traverse here today. This one is an unmarked detective vehicle. So we kept everything hidden. On the inside, roll this cover back. And we've got a Typhoon handheld in here. Turn everything on for you. Take it back up front. And out back we've got Tier 3s up top, cannons and the reverse lights. Got DB9s in the side window. Down in the corner, we got Whelen Vertex. Got some CUDA tri-optics behind the grill and a Whelen dash light up top there. It's all controlled by a Typhoon handheld. And we've got the Feniex Triton Speaker tucked in behind the grill. So if this is something you need, something like it, give us a call at any emergency lighting, and always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.